Unlocking the charm of, "You look boo-tiful." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a playful and fun phrase that you might hear during Halloween or in casual, affectionate settings. "You look boo-tiful." This phrase is a clever twist on a classic compliment, and understanding it can add a charming touch to your English conversations. Let's explore what makes this expression so special and how you can use it to spread smiles and compliments. The phrase, "You look boo-tiful," is a perfect example of wordplay in English. It combines the word beautiful with boo, a term often associated with ghosts and used to playfully scare someone. This blend creates a humorous and affectionate way to tell someone they look great. Understanding such wordplays can enrich your language skills and help you appreciate the creativity in everyday English. Let's break down the components. Boo is not just a ghostly greeting, it's also a term of endearment. When used in this context, it adds a layer of warmth and closeness to the compliment. It suggests that the speaker is being playful and affectionate, rather than just offering a straightforward compliment. This dual meaning of boo, as both a playful scare and a term of affection, makes the phrase endearing and fun. This phrase is most commonly used during Halloween or in light-hearted, informal settings. It's a wonderful way to compliment someone's Halloween costume or appearance in a festive spirit. However, its usage isn't limited to Halloween. You can use it anytime you want to make a loved one smile. Remember, the key is the playful and affectionate tone, so it's best used with people who appreciate a good pun or wordplay. While "you look boo-tiful" is widely understood and appreciated in English-speaking cultures, especially around Halloween, it's important to consider the context and the relationship you have with the person. This phrase embodies a playful and casual spirit, making it more suitable for friends, family, or close acquaintances rather than formal settings or interactions with strangers. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "You look boo-tiful." We hope you enjoyed learning about this playful compliment and are inspired to use it in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about expression, creativity, and connection. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to play with words. Until next time, keep learning and stay boo-tiful.